When it comes to meeting the health and social care needs of a community, an agency's ability to expand to meet those needs is essential. That's the story of Citizen Advocates. Since day one, we've been considered trailblazers in the field of developmental disability services. We've provided community-based services apart and away from institutional settings. Although this approach seems the norm today, 50 years ago, society believed that people living with significant disabilities should reside and be cared for in state hospitals. Over the past couple of years, we've begun trailblazing once again, this time to address the multiple health and social challenges people face in Northern New York. At our core is the passion to help individuals, but our value proposition at Citizen Advocates is in our ability to tackle large social challenges that North Country communities have grappled with for many years. Because we are known for exceptional clinical services, we've worked hard to remove the red tape. This means you can walk into any one of our locations without an appointment. We guarantee you will be seen same day if you need it. Our 24/7 behavioral health urgent care centers are positioned throughout Northern New York.
There is a local hospital that will serve those in need for mental health services. But what we really want to do is free up the emergency room. People can walk in, and that's kind of where they start their process. That's where they start their journey to recovery.
We are a co-occurring facility, so we work with both mental health and addictions, and we do medication-assisted treatment. Citizen Advocates actually is one of the trailblazers for that kind of program, starting in Malone. We have so many people that are working to help support each and every person that walks through our doors. One of the coolest things that we have here is our peers and our PRSs that have lived life experiences, that have struggled in mental health and addiction and all these other things. And they are shining examples of what they can do when they get through to the other side and work within our community to make it better.
Our vision doesn't end with accessible urgent care. Our newest partnership with St. Joseph's Addiction Treatment and Recovery Centers brings together two of the largest behavioral health care organizations in the region. We've joined forces to provide the full continuum of care for Northern New York.
Our mission is focused on providing substance use treatment services for those that are most in need. It doesn't matter who you are, doesn't matter where you're from, we want to make ourselves available to you. What we're doing is creating a more thorough continuum of care between Citizen Advocates and St. Joe's. So the idea that we're able to take our resources and combine them, instead of saying, hey, listen, we want to try and get you to a detox and hopefully we can get you to inpatient without losing you. What we have at our fingertips now is the behavioral health urgent care of Citizen Advocates. Now we're able to say, listen, get up here, just get local, and we can get you somewhere. The window of opportunity is so short. So someone says they want help, you got to be able to get them somewhere, because if you wait too long, they're going to find help at the bottom of a bottle. And that's the window that we exist in, is being the bridge that helps them make a different decision this time.
A few years ago, we made a pledge to strengthen our commitment to offering social care services. That's where the Fieldstone Foundation steps in.
The Fieldstone Foundation is the charitable organization of Citizen Advocates. We're deeply committed to eliminating childhood hunger in the North Country, as well as addressing financial, housing, and food insecurities across the region. We learned that our local food pantries realized a 75% increase in usage. School administrators are letting us know that many children are presenting to school every day hungry, which means by the time they leave school in the afternoon, they might not eat until breakfast the next day at school. So that presents a problem for the evenings, but a bigger problem for the weekends. Our backpack program provides 2 breakfasts, 2 lunches, and 2 snacks so that they don't have to go the weekend without food. That's where the Fieldstone Foundation can come in and lend a hand.
We also believe that stable housing and community revitalization offers a chance at a better life for the people we serve. Harrison Place not only revitalized a once blighted block of property, it has also given many of the people we support renewed hope to aspire to greater things.
Addiction has really been a part of my life. Pretty heavy into the heroin. Where I was before, if you knew where I was before and where I am now, I feel like I won the lottery. I loved it right off the bat. I probably sent over 100 pictures to my mother, you know. Everything was furnished. It was nice. It's the first time I've actually had a new bed. Before, I didn't really leave the house much. I wasn't proud of myself. I still had that addict mentality even though I was clean and sober. The new start made me feel like a new man. Citizens advocates, they were there every step along the way. You feel whole, kind of completed. You know, I got my apartment, I got hobbies that changed my life. I had a long dark tunnel and this was my light at the end of the tunnel. I'm trying to enjoy every moment of it.
Just like the residents of Harrison Place, the next chapter in our story is just beginning. But it takes a creative approach. It means stepping out of our comfort zone and into new communities, reimagining housing, engaging in philanthropic endeavors, and building new partnerships. We've made great strides in 2023, and we're more excited than ever to support the entire North Country region and beyond.